In this lesson, we will create headers using the merge function, and I will show you how to sort data. To create your headers, you first need to insert a row or rows, more than one row, above the data, depending on what sort of headers you're needing or you're wanting to use. So we're going to add a header for each of our columns. We're going to name each column. The first column we're going to name because we're presuming this is patients at a dental clinic, actually. So we're going to say name for the first one, age, their bill, PIF, be paid in full, half the bill paid, so forth. And then the date of service, the date they received the service. So the date of service is too long, so we're going to use the wrap function in the Home tab under the alignment section, and that's going to make the words wrap around in that cell. We can make some other changes to the appearance and location in the cell. We can move the headers to the top of the cell rather than the bottom. We can bold them. If we wanted to, we could actually do a color, a different color text. We could fill the cells with a different color. So there's different things you could do there. But let's go and insert one more row above our headers. And this we're going to call out our title. And so for these dental patients, um, let's call this report um, braces installation instead of dental patients. We'll name it after the actual service that they were getting. So braces installation is going to be too long for one cell. So what we want to do is highlight the 4 cells up above the 4 columns here. And then we're going to use the merge function in the alignment section, merge cells, and that creates one large cells. And then we can center the words braces installation. Likewise, you can bold it, change the looks or appearance of it. The next thing I'm going to show you how to do is the sort function, which is located in the Home tab under the editing section. Click the sort and filter button. Once you click the sort and filter button, it creates these drop down arrows for each column. And these drop down arrows will allow you to sort your data. For example, you can isolate and only show people that have paid half of their bill. Or if you want to, you can reselect all and then hit OK, and that makes all of them show back up. If you want to, you could also sort by alphabet. You can organize by the last name of the patient. So there's different things that you can do here to sort and filter your data.